This thing right here is the FlyDigi Scorpion, and it's the best controller for Android that I've ever used. You might be thinking, that's not a controller, but it is, and I'll show you how it works. The FlyDigi Scorpion comes in the form of a WASD gaming keyboard. It features mechanical red switches with RGB backlit keys that support 16.8 million colors. I didn't even know that many colors existed. I thought there were like 10. The keyboard is battery powered with a rechargeable battery that uses a USB Type-C cable to charge. It is Bluetooth enabled, so you can connect it to your Android phone wirelessly. It comes with a phone stand which helps you prop up your phone somewhere so you can keep your hands on the keyboard and not have to worry about holding your phone. It also has a nice high quality USB charging cable. So this is what the keyboard looks like with the RGB lighting. Each individual key is backlit with RGB strips along the top and side of the device. The keys feel very nice to use and are genuine red mechanical switches. You can toggle through different lighting modes to see the many different effects available. On the top of the device, there's a full-size USB input. Why is that? Well, this acts as a wired mouse input. You can plug in a mouse into this USB port, and now you have a full keyboard and mouse for your Android gaming setup. But when I connect this to my phone via Bluetooth, something interesting happens. My phone reads this as a controller, not a keyboard or mouse. Why is this? Well, if you've ever tried to use a mouse and keyboard for gaming on Android, you'll find that Android games are not built for this. In order for me to move my camera around in-game, I have to click and drag across a screen, emulating a touch on the display. Well, controllers are different. I can control my view with the right joystick while moving around with the left. FlyDigi solves this problem of Android gaming with a keyboard and mouse by having the system read this keyboard and mouse as a controller. The WASD keys act as the left joystick, with the mouse acting as the right joystick. This means that you can play just as you would on a PC, but without the odd Android mouse and keyboard input. It's a very smart solution to this problem. I can also confirm that it feels no different than playing on a PC. Your mouse feels exactly like a mouse input with the proper acceleration and everything. See how the WASD keys manipulate the left joystick in PUBG. Now, how does this translate into in-game performance? I'll show you some footage so you can see for yourself, but first we are going to check out today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends puts you in a fantasy world where you choose heroes to fight your way through different levels and enemies. Train your heroes, improve their skills, and equip them with armor in this super addicting game that's available for mobile and PC. Today I got a bunch of shards, which are like mystery boxes that contain new heroes. This Banshee has tons of HP and such a cool character design. This Bombardier has less HP, but I like his attack points. This is one of my favorite characters. He's part of the Lizardmen faction. He's super powerful and gives you a huge boost if you're just starting out in Raid. If you start playing using the link in the description, you can get your own Lizardmen hero as well as tons of loot, like 100,000 silver, 1 energy refill, and 10 mystery shards. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right here in your inbox. Play in tournaments against other players to put your team of heroes to the test. Then fight against the Spider's Den, Ice Golem's Peak, the Almighty Fire Knight, and the Notorious Dragon. Download Raid using the links in the description. And now back to the FlyDigi Scorpion. I'm going to play some PUBG, which is a first-person competitive shooter. It's the perfect opportunity to test this controller and see how it works. The controller has a flash play mode, which means that it can operate as a controller without mapping software. However, with more complex games like PUBG, you can use the mapping software that comes with the FlyDigi app to place more precise controls. Aiming with the mouse gives you so much of an advantage. You'll tweak your specific controls over time to get everything exactly how you want it. I've been looking for a solution for this for a long time to bring proper keyboard and mouse controls to Android gaming, and this product is perfect for that. It sells for $58.99 on Amazon if you want to pick one up for yourself. That's it for this video. See ya.